How to create new folder in Yahoo Mail. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Mail application on your device. Make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, tap on the inbox option on the bottom left of your screen, and in the menu that appears, scroll down and under the Folders tab, you will see the Create New Folder option. Go ahead and tap on the Create New Folder option. In the pop-up that appears, you will be asked to enter your name folder. So, name your folder and tap on the Save button, and with this, as you can see, the folder has been created. Now, if you want to move mails to this folder, simply open the mail that you want to move, and in the bottom toolbar, you will see the Move option. Tap on that, and further, you will see the folder you just created. So tap on the folder, and with this, the mail will be moved. So this is how you can create new folder in Yahoo Mail. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.